I'm Petteri Pyykkö from the Finnish Meteorological Institute, and I will hold only the weather briefing part today. Briefly about me, I'm a forecasting meteorologist at FMI since 2019, member of the EUMeTrain consortium since 2021. I'm doing quite a lot of training planning related to the use of satellite products in the work forecasting meteorologist, and also I'll do the a little bit of that training itself. And in the past, I've participated in some international projects also outside of Europe, where we mainly install and train our in-house software, in-house developed software, SmartMet, and also its alert part for issuing the warnings. 20% of my working time in communications, some social media, and planning the media releases and posts. I'm also involved in Aristotle project, where we give issue prepare or prepare preparedness reports for the ERCC, the European Commission's kind of like the emergency center. It stands for Emergency Response Coordination Center. And through this project, I've been involved in forecasting Hurricane Melissa, which was very, very interesting. Also, in last fall, I had the honor to participate in the EUMETSAT conference in Lyon and give a talk on the lightning imagers' performance and usability in high latitudes. You can see the image in the bottom left corner. And now to the weather itself. So here's the FCI water vapor from this morning, 6 UTC. You can probably the most dominant feature is the low that we have over the the center is very near to Ireland, and the frontal systems 2 and 3. 2 is mostly the cold front, 3 is the warm front. If I had taken the 9 UTC picture, the cold and warm front would be even closer together. It's almost already getting occluded to its northern part, causing some precipitation and winds in the islands. And of course, we had the jet stream on quite a fast one over the Atlantic. That's denoted with the number 1. And in the water vapor imagery, you can see it usually as a black stripe, indicating the descending air of the side of the jet. And also we have another low denoted by 4 over the Atlantic. Then I forgot to put the number on it. We have an upper level low on the western parts of Poland, which is quite well visible over here as a spiral, and then once again another trough or low pressure system in the south, to the south of Greece, with some convection also taking place. And then the polar jet as 6, which is not that well visible here through the low viewing angle. And then I just wanted to point out the very dry air over Sahara, the number 7. And here are the ice attacks on top of the image. So you can see the quite a strong jet over the Atlantic. And then it gets wrapped around the center of the strong low, taking another downward dip in the eastern, the Balkans, and then towards the eastern Europe. So as you know, we have this quite disturbed pattern in the central and southern parts of Europe lately, since what we have over Finland and Fennoscandia, and we have the high pressure system over here, so that is forcing all the systems on a more southern track. And for example, that's the reason why we can expect some more heavy rains and meteorologically interesting weather for, among others, to Iberian Peninsula, Italy, the Balkans, in the coming week. And here I also have the Z500 geopotential height. So clearly the low centers are approximately where the centers of the where the local maxima of this Z500 are over the Atlantic, and then you can see the upper level low to the on the west of Poland, also the trough in the area of Greece and the Balkans, and then the quite low, or actually quite low highs over Fennoscandia to the east of us, due to cold weather over here. And then I also wanted to have the Airmass RGB, also from this morning, 6 UTC, and here the low pressure system over the British Isles and Ireland. Very striking feature in this image, with its cold high cloud tops getting the white signal in this product. So the white is for the highest, very high and thick ice clouds, and then we have the jet denoted with 3, so that is usually with the brownish colors, reddish, and also the upper level low, the PV anomaly, denoted with 4. Also here it shows quite nicely the warm air mass in the south over Sahara, and then to the east we have the colder air masses, 1, 5, 1. Also, I wanted to point out that if you are looking at that's mainly the higher and mid cloudiness, but if you were to look for the lower clouds, this is not the best product, since the color of the low clouds depends on the air mass, temperature, and also, of course, the viewing angle somewhat as you go towards the south. And then I wanted to write out the lime cooling. So the ozone absorption increases with increasing satellite viewing angles. Results in high ozone absorption, even in tropical areas, not shown here. Those European image, the view, and leading to misleading blue color hues. Blue color hues of purple for the affected region. So I would like you to write in the chat which number is the lime cooling. I think that is a bit too easy, but just it's something to keep you awake. Yeah, I think the question is a bit too easy once, as I already said all the other numbers, and I actually noticed that I made a little mistake here. It should have been number 7 here, but it meant this northernmost number over here. So you get this so let's say in the summer we are also seeing these kind of colors in northern parts of Fennoscandia, Norway. Even if the air mass is very warm, since the area, the edges of this imaging swath are suffering from lime cooling, so it would be right here. It's in the top right corner of this view. And by the way, I took all these images from ePort on EUMeTrain's webpage. And then I had a bit newer image, so this from 9 UTC today. And sorry, I once again a little mistake. So this is the cloud type. I ran out of time making the presentation a little bit today. I forgot to change this. So cloud type RGB from FCI. So as you know, we have had this very cold weather also in central and eastern parts of Europe, and of course Fennoscandia. So with the green snow ice on ground, number one, you can also see the green over the Alps, of course, and then south to central parts of Germany, also southern to western Poland, and of course over Russia very widely. And then very nice contrast with the surface when looking at with the cloud free surface to the low to mid level water cloud. So that's with the number 2. So we have a lot of low cloudiness in southern Sweden, southern Finland, mid parts of Finland, Central Europe, some over the Balkans, Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, and then thick ice clouds are. I hope you can see my mouse. So it would be number 3. This is it says 4 here, but it should be 3 all over the place. So this is number 3 also over western parts of Russia, and then the 4 in northern Ukraine is most likely the super cold water clouds mixed with some ice. I took a look at the nowcasting SAF. It showed a mix of liquid and ice mix, and I know I took a look at the ECMWF model yesterday, and it showed freezing rain in mid parts of or an area stretching from the southern Ukraine towards the north, signal for freezing rain. So I would be quite confident to say that the signal somehow comes from the super cooled water droplets, but please correct me in the end if I'm wrong. And then the cirrus clouds in red in the southwestern part of the domain, also over Greece, Western Turkey. And yeah, then I took the ECMWF air mass temperature this morning from the 00 run of today. So cold to very cold air masses over Fennoscandia and to the east of Finland. Low over Ireland, UK, pushing warmer air mass temporarily to France and Iberian Peninsula. Also colder air masses in the southeast of this domain over Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan. For the beginning, that is also that is forecast to ameliorate ameliorate in terms of the air mass temperature, getting warmer as the week progresses. Also quite cold over Iceland, but nothing too extraordinary. And I wanted to point out of tomorrow. There was quite a lot going in Europe, so just to pinpoint something. So quite a strong low pressure system of a very strong. Unfortunately I cannot tell you about the climatology, but I would my educated guess would be it is one of the strongest that hits this winter 25-26. So gusts even above 25 meters per second locally, also inland, especially central to northern Portugal, possibly also on the Spanish side of the peninsula. Also another system over Italy brings some more precipitation to central and northern parts, also more snow to the Alps, in western Austria, Switzerland, and northern Italy, and still unsettled over Ireland, Wales, Scotland, western Scotland. And then the high is just sitting over us. I mean Finland, Sweden, mainly weak winds, and also I could mention that our wind energy production has taken quite a hit, as we have had a lot of lower cloudiness that had frozen to the blades of the wind electricity generating windmills. So currently the production forecast is a lot higher than what they're actually generating, and as we are as the cold weather is forecast to continue, we are not seeing a fast end to that situation. And something about the weekend. So the low of over Fennoscandia is moving likely towards south east, most likely turning the bringing some warmer air mass at least to Norway, Sweden, possibly to northern Finland, to also increasing the wind speeds over the Baltic Sea between Sweden and Finland, but it is very highly uncertain how cold it will get, and how fast the coldest temperatures will move away from our region. So if I take a good quick look at the current temperatures that we have, for example, in Finland, so Western Lapland, the coldest temperature currently is in a place called Muonio. It's around the latitude of 68, so we have minus 27, and it's currently cloud-free in the region, but we have had big challenges forecasting the cloudiness in the past. So basically, our two main models that we used, EASY and MEPS Harmony, are forecasting quite opposite, and we had quite high forecasting errors also in southern Finland for this morning from yesterday's forecasts, since the reality was more cloudy than the models, especially the MEPS was suggesting. But yeah, the coldest air mass is in the weekend is very likely to the east of Finland over Russian region. It will stay unsettled in the Mediterranean. You see the deterministic run is not seeing anything major for Saturday, but as the rain keeps coming down during the upcoming days, it might even a few tens or 10 of millimeters might lead to additional problems, especially over Iberia. Also more cold towards the Baltics, Belarus, and Ukraine towards the end of the week. And the uncertainty grows very high in terms of the coldest temperatures, especially in the beginning of next week, but that is already quite natural. And then we'll stop with the meteor alarm. So this is between Tuesday, so today 13 to 13 hours tomorrow. So Portugal, IPMA has issued red warnings for wind, and is that I think that is the flooding symbol. Please correct me once again. Also, higher terrains will get snow. Also, the system will bring some snow to higher elevations to north and northwest of Madrid, and then there is a lot of wind, ice warnings. Ice warnings and snow warnings in different parts of Central Europe, and then the wind warnings, UK, Ireland, and Italy. Yeah, it doesn't show here. Let me take a look. So yeah, of course, northern part is the snow or ice warning, but the wind warning is also orange in the middle parts as the system nears tomorrow.